This video is for 2-76 from week number 4 review preview. For each diagram below, solve for x. Explain what relationship from your angle relationship toolkit you used for each problem. So what I'm seeing right here is there's a 90-degree angle symbol, and those two angles make up the 90 degrees, so the relationship would be complementary, because that means they add up to 90. So then the equation that I would have, I know that 6x and 4x plus 10 have to equal 90 when I add them together. So then I want to solve that word. I want to solve that equation. So I'm going to combine my x's together, and that's going to be 10x plus 10 equals 90. Take away 10 from both sides, so 10x equals 80. And then to undo the multiplication, I divide. X equals 8. The next question gives me a straight angle pair, right? So two angles that make a straight line are, I'm going to say straight angle, which is another way of saying that they are supplementary, right? They add up to 180 degrees. So that means that my equation is going to be 5x plus 13 plus 3x plus 7 equals 180 degrees. Okay, adding those two angles has to give me 180 degrees because it's a straight line. So once I combine my like terms, the x's go together and the numbers go together. 5x and 3x is 8x. 13 and 7 is 20. Now I can get down to like getting that x by itself. So in order to get 8x by itself, I'm going to have to subtract 20 from both sides, because that will cancel. So then 8x equals 160 degrees. To undo that multiplication, I would divide both sides by 8. So x equals 20. Letter C. Letter C is giving me three angles inside a triangle. So the triangle angle sum relationship, or you could have said supplementary, okay? Because we know that all three angles in any triangle add up to 180, which is supplementary. So the equation that I'm going to have is 3x plus 5 plus 2x plus 17 plus 2x plus 18 has to equal 180 degrees. So I took all three angles and added them together, and they have to equal 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and combine like terms. 3x, 2x, 2x, 5, 17, and 18. So all the x's are added together, and that gives 7x. 5 plus 17 plus 18 gets added together, and you are going to get 40. And if I want to get the x by itself, first I'm going to take away 40 from both sides. 7x equals 140 degrees. In order to undo the multiplication, I want to do some division, so x is 20. The last relationship, I'm looking and I notice that this is a triangle. There's a right angle symbol right there, so that means it's 90 degrees. So it's actually the same relationship as before, the triangle angle sum, or you could write supplementary, because I know all three angles in that triangle have to equal 180 if I add them together. So my equation is going to be 90 degrees plus 30 degrees plus x, because I don't know what this is, but I do know 90 and 30 have to equal 180. Combine 90 and 30, because they're numbers. Take away 120 from both sides, and x has to be 60 degrees.